Hi guys, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is finally official and it has a ton of new amazing features. We're gonna go over the top 7 features of the S22 Ultra, and do let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the first and most obvious feature is the design. The S22 Ultra is pretty much the successor to the Note 20 Ultra. It's only an S device by name. It has the Note's signature boxy design and an S Pen silo built into the device. The next feature is the S Pen and its AI point prediction. The S Pen on the S22 Ultra has a latency of 2.8 milliseconds, which is 3 times faster than the 9 milliseconds on the Note 20 Ultra. Samsung is able to achieve this by using AI point prediction. So the artificial intelligence recognizes what you're writing and predicts the next point of your S Pen, which is gonna give a smoother writing and drawing experience. And that works in combination with the display, which is the next feature. It's a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120Hz refresh rate using the second generation LTPO technology, and that's gonna allow for refresh rate as low as 1 Hz. Another feature of the display is its brightness. It's gonna peak out at 1750 nits, which is the highest on any smartphone. But at that high brightness, the display quality might be washed out under direct sunlight. And to fix that, Samsung is using what they call Vision Booster. And what it does is adjust the contrast and colors when you're using the peak brightness in direct sunlight. So you're gonna have colorful, vibrant, and sharp images displayed on your screen when you're using the peak brightness outdoors. Another feature of the S22 Ultra is its improved durability. It's the first smartphone to use the new Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and it also has Armor Aluminium, which is 10% stronger than the previous aluminium on the S21 series. One of my favorite features is its new cooling system. Samsung is using a new material that transfers heat 3.5 times faster than previous materials, and that works in combination with a larger, more durable vapor chamber and graphite sheet to distribute the heat from the device. Now, this all sounds good in theory, but we'll have to wait and see how it actually performs in the real world. Arguably, the coolest feature of the S22 series is its improved OS support. So the S22 Ultra is gonna have 4 years of Android software updates and 5 years of security updates. So it's gonna get Android updates up to Android 16, and that's the best software support in the Android market. Samsung is outperforming even Google with software updates, and that's really impressive. The 7th feature is with the cameras. The S22 Ultra's cameras has some really amazing features like adaptive pixel, nightography, video nightography, super night solution, auto frame rate, OIS and VDIS, and expert RAW. I'll go into details about these features in a different video, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Anyway, be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.